How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. If you are using a Samsung phone and you have already installed the latest One UI 6 or you are just waiting to install this massive update on your Galaxy smartphone, then this video is going to be super useful for you. Today I'll be showing you some lesser known hidden One UI 6 features that you still might not know about. I'm sure you're gonna learn something new and useful in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. First, let me show you a very useful hidden feature that can be found inside your phone's settings. So if I just go into connections, select data usage, here I get this brand new option that says allow networks for apps. You can now limit data usage or Wi-Fi usage for selected apps on your Samsung phone. Let's say I want to watch videos on YouTube only when my mobile is connected to the Wi-Fi network. All I need to do is just select YouTube from the list and click on this option that says Wi-Fi only. Now if my phone is connected to the mobile data, I won't be able to play any videos on YouTube. You can use this hidden feature to restrict all the data hungry apps in the background. You can simply set those apps to Wi-Fi usage only. With One UI 6, Samsung added the drag and drop feature that is actually the new way of doing copy paste on your phone. And I'll show you some of the best use cases that will help you to take full advantage of this amazing feature. First, let me show you how to organize your home screen by using this feature. Just select the applications that you want to rearrange and place it on some other page. Now simply press and hold and go to that specific page by using your other finger. Here you just need to drop the icons like this. Guys, you can do the same process when you are in the Files app. Let's say if I want to move this file to a different folder, I just need to press and hold, use the other finger to go back and select the folder in which I want to paste it. Apart from this, I'll also show you one more use case when you're inside the Gallery app. Let's say you want to remove the background of an image and send it to your friend in WhatsApp. All you have to do is just press and hold on it, use the other finger to go back to your home screen and select the app in which you want to drop that image. It gets saved and then you can send it directly to your friend. So these are some use cases for the drag and drop feature. Instead of just copying and pasting the text, you can do a lot of amazing things on your phone by using this simple feature. Next, if you go into settings, connections and select mobile hotspot, here if you scroll down, you get this brand new option that says one-time password. So if you're sharing the internet with guests or strangers, you can enable this feature. So you don't need to share your usual mobile data password. The next time you turn on mobile hotspot, the password will get reset. If you're not comfortable sharing your password with people who are not close to you, then use this one-time password instead. Did you know whenever you edit or make changes to any photo in the gallery, let's say you want to add some brightness and adjust the saturation in this image, now you have got the option to copy all the edits or changes that you have made over to the new photo. Just tap on these three dots and select this brand new option that says copy edits. Now open a picture in which you want to paste all the changes. Here click on these three dots and select paste edits. This will apply all the changes that you have made to the previous photo in just a single click. The best part is, it even allows you to paste the edits onto multiple pictures at the same time. You just need to select the photos in which you want to apply all the changes, click on this three dots menu at the bottom right and select paste edits. I think it's an amazing feature that can save a lot of your time. Apart from this, Samsung also added an undo button in the photo editing, by using which you can undo and redo individual changes in case you make a mistake. I think it's a nice addition and this can be super useful when you are editing pictures in your gallery. Next, whenever you open an app in a pop-up window, now what you can do is, you can press and hold and drag them onto the top or the bottom portion to activate the split screen view. So with One UI 6, you can seamlessly switch between the pop-up and the split screen window. Not only this, you can also snap the pop-up view to the edge of the screen by just grabbing the handle and bring it to the edge like this. This can be super useful when you have opened multiple apps in a pop-up window. You can minimize couple of apps and keep your screen less cluttered. With One UI 6, Samsung added a very interesting gesture called predictive back animation. Currently this only works in the settings menu and sometimes it even works when you're using Google Chrome. Let me show you what this gesture is all about. Let's say I'm in settings. If I go inside device care and then select storage, now if you want to see the previous menu even before going back to that page, I'll just use the back gesture and I can glance at the previous page without actually going back to that menu. This can be quite useful at times when you want to see what's in the background before you exit the current page. Now to enable this useful gesture, you need to activate the developer options in your phone. So just go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information and tap on this build number for 7 times. Once done, simply go back and select developer options. Here you need to search for the predictive back animation and turn it on. Now when you are in the settings menu or even while using Chrome, if you use the back gesture, you can just glance at what's in the previous page. Next, we have got the secret hidden menu that can be found inside the connections. Just go to Wi-Fi, tap on the 3 dots and select Intelligent Wi-Fi. Now when you scroll down and tap on this Intelligent Wi-Fi for 7 times, it will switch on the Labs feature, and when you go inside Connectivity Labs, you get a lot of information regarding your Wi-Fi connection. It shows your daily average and you can also see your weekly reports. It even shows what band of Wi-Fi you are connected for the longest time. You can check your Wi-Fi configuration, customize your Wi-Fi settings, and if you go inside developer options, here we have got even more settings and features that gets unlocked. Guys, if you want to know more about your Wi-Fi connections, then I'll highly suggest you to activate this secret menu. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some lesser known hidden One UI 6 features that every Samsung user needs to know about. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite One UI 6 feature. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.